Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating, which is total prize money. In a coding contest there is a prize for a top rankers. Okay, so here is given a story of top rankers, that in a coding contest the prize is given to the top rankers. The prize scheme is follows: top 10 participated receive X monies. So the top 10 participate receive X money, and from 11 to 100 inclusively, okay, including 11 and 100, they will receive the Y money each. Okay, you just have to find the total money over all the contestant. Okay, so here is given a four test case, and you just have to, so here is given a four test cases. Okay, so the four test cases is 1000 and 100. So for first 10 contestant given X money will be the first money, and Y money will be from. So let's understand with an example. So there is given a four test cases. Okay, TS is equals to test cases. Okay, and there is given a 1000 and given a 100, 1000 and 100. Okay, 1000 and 100. This is X and Y. X is basically 10 and Y is basically from 11 to 100 inclusively, means there are 90 people. Who is in Y. Okay, so you just have to do multiplication. So you just have to do multiplication here, which is, first you have to do 1000 into 10 plus 100 into 90. Okay, which will find a total price. 1000 plus 9000, it will give you 19000. So the answer will be this. So you just have to print 19,000. Okay, in the same way, this is the solution, 19,000. Okay, and for 1000 and 1000, you just have to multiply it with, okay, multiply it with directly. You just have to multiply it by 1000. The number of people will be 100 into 1000, because the X and Y is same. So just have to multiply and it will become 1 lakh. Okay, so I hope you understand the questions. Okay, so let's do the code. First you have to take int t, which is number of test cases, and c and t, and then you just have to do while t minus minus is greater than 0. Then you just have to do int x comma y. Okay, and then take input c in x, c in y, and then you just have to do if x is equals to y. Okay, if the money rate is same, then you just have to do cout 100, because the total people will be 100, into x, the prize money. Okay, and then you just have to do end else if it is not equal, then you just have to do int answer. First you have to do x equals to x into the number of people into 10, and y equals to y into 90. Okay, and then you just have to do end answer equals to x plus y, and then you just have to see out answer and then enter. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Thanks for watching.